Hey everyone! Today we're checking out SettleMate, an app designed to make managing shared expenses super easy. If you live with roommates, travel with friends, or frequently split bills, this app aims to simplify keeping track of who owes what and making sure everyone pays their fair share. The main appeal of SettleMate is how straightforward it is. You can quickly add expenses, assign them to specific people, and see a clear summary of what's owed. It also handles different currencies and can split costs unevenly, which is helpful if one person paid more or less for a particular expense. The interface is clean and user-friendly. Adding a new expense is simple, and the app provides notifications and reminders to help ensure that no one forgets to settle up. It even offers options to pay directly through integrated payment methods, which saves time and avoids awkward conversations about money. SettleMate also allows you to categorize expenses and generate summaries or reports, so you can always see a snapshot of your finances with friends or household members. While some advanced features are part of a premium plan, the free version covers most everyday needs and is intuitive enough for anyone to start using immediately. Overall, SettleMate is a reliable solution for managing shared expenses without stress or confusion, making group finances easier to handle. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which app you want me to review next.